Yes, look at the curry chicken. This is the chicken that I'm talking about, that I tell you. I'm gonna curry some chicken. Ain't it beautiful? I know what I'm doing. It's beautiful. Look at it. Chicken. Beautiful chicken. Beautiful. You have it have a beautiful color. I'm gonna do some white rice with it. Fry some dumpling and everything you get with this curry chicken. So I wanted to like it, share, and subscribe to it. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the way Auntie Clair do her curry chicken. Okay? Her curry chicken. Gonna marinate up. Yes. Yes. This is the way I do my curry chicken. Yes. This is the way I do my curry chicken. You're gonna like it up and share. Subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Auntie Clair way have cooking our curry chicken. Okay. Love it up. Love it up. Lots of pepper, ginger, and everything. So, you know they love to say curry can hurt belly. I don't cook curry and hurt no belly. You're not good. Never. Never. Never, darling. I know to do it from my high clothes. Yes, so just like, share, and subscribe to it. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Touch the notice button. Comments down below. Right? Just comments. And like and share. Okay. Love it up. Love it up. Big pot of curry chicken. Okay, brothers and sisters. Thank you. Bye. Peace out.